Do you absolutely love shopping? Are relationships very important for you? Do you like looking beautiful, smelling good? Do you really appreciate beautiful things? Well, if that's you, then you're most likely a Libra rising person. Namaste, I'm Chandramukhi and welcome to Astro Saraswat. Let us now discuss about the sign Libra. Libra is the second sign ruled by the planet Venus. Venus means beauty, luxury, and also relationships. So these three things are super important for those who are Libra rising people. They will always invest a lot of time and energy and thought into their relationships. They'll always really like building relationships, and they will be generally very popular amongst the opposite sex because of their very beautiful appearance and very charming nature. They're just very charming people, right? Libras love shopping. So the sign or the symbol which represents Libra are the scales, and these are not the scales of the law. These are the scales of the marketplace. The person who has Libra rising absolutely loves shopping and has a general tendency towards doing business and towards negotiations. So if you go to the market, you'll be able to bargain and strike a good deal. So negotiations are really a big quality of Libras. Also, beauty. They themselves are very beautiful, and at the same time they have a really high appreciation for arts, for artistic things, for beauty in general. They absolutely appreciate it, and they are very keen on having a beautiful surrounding, and everything should look beautiful, everything should be comfortable, they should smell good, everything should be luxurious. That desire of enjoying and that desire for comfort is very prominent in Libra rising people. Now, it's an air sign, so they are generally very spontaneous, right? They love adventurous things, they love doing things, they love being social. They are social butterflies. Of course, other planets in the chart will also have an effect on that, but generally speaking, they are very good with people. They can talk nicely. They can build relationships very smoothly. It's very easy for them. Another very important thing is that Libras need to be in balance. So they value balance a lot, but at the same time it can at times be a struggle as well. They get so engrossed in one particular thing that life kind of goes off balance, and that can be very disturbing, very frustrating for Libras when life goes out of balance, because balance is something of paramount importance to them. After all, it's the scales, right? So having things in balance is very important for Libra rising people. Now, naturally, being in partnership and love and relationships is also very important for Libras. They have this desire to have a partner, and when they don't, then they kind of feel something is missing. So having a romantic relationship is very important for Libra rising people as well. Now, being indecisive is something which also comes with being a Libra, and that is something which can disturb them a little, but it's something which is just a part of your nature, and you have to work with it, work it out. But generally it's a very social sign, very socially capable sign, excellent at building connections with people. Libras are also very diplomatic. You are able to navigate social situations very well through your diplomacy. You just know how to deal with people, simply put. If you are also a Libra rising person, then do let us know in the comments and let us know how do you show up in the world. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for the rest of the rising signs as well. Namaste.